Today we will go in battle with one of the most notorious armies of them all. He will never say a word. You will tell him from a distance by the chattering. He stands a head taller than his comrades. He will skip and cut out, make crooked eyes, won't start right, run away, break knives, cut short. I have fought him before the sun broke the horizon. Late at night, when the chill of the night would penetrate my bones, and in the heat of the day, when the sun could cook an egg, as the battle comes to a head, his comrades all look amazed. Singer hums a tune while Juki does the two-stitch, and Wilcox cover stitches the side. He has made workers walk off by the dozens, foremans turn gray, and owners gamble to pay their debts. He controls all rags at the end of the line. The girls all like him for the pearls that he makes. But I say, beware, he has but only one eye. He goes under the name, the Iron Duke, the Bulldog, the Flyboy, and the 101. Let's go to battle. So I can come up to the first screw and loosen that and slide this part of the cam forward or back and change the way the buttonhole is starting off. And that's what right here. And turn it down or up. I'm gonna bring this one down a little bit. And the 70. You can compare both of them